Hello! I got another box of product. Okay, shall we see what's in here? I got myself what is called a Bliss and Beauty bundle. Bliss and Beauty. Bliss and Beauty. Who doesn't love some Bliss and Beauty, right? Alright, let's see what's in here. It's possible that my lovebird was in here already, eating my invoice. He's such a stinker. So, what do we have? We have 1 box of collagen, 2 boxes of collagen, 3 boxes of collagen. Let's put those like this. There we go. Oh, that's so pretty. And then, this is the beauty part. And then we have 1 box of adaptogen elixir. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to move this. 2 boxes of adaptogen elixir. This is the stress adaptogen. I love this stuff so much. Oh my gosh. 3 boxes of adaptogen elixir. These are 2 different size boxes, hey? So if you guys haven't seen these before, let's open it up so you can see what it looks like. Look at the inside, it's so pretty. Uh-oh, I opened it wrong. I ripped it open wrong, you guys. Okay. So when we take off Rocky's really excited. When we take off the plastic part, we have a beautiful collagen elixir, and Rocky is very excited. This is marine collagen. It is absolutely amazing. There is a massive buzz going on about this marine collagen right now because it is doing amazing things for a lot of people. And it is absolutely fantastic. So I'm also going to open up this stress adaptogen. Rocky's really, really exciting. I have a cheering squad back there who's, you have to use a little bit of force to get that open. So here is the adaptogen elixir. So they're both about the same size. One has a pink lid, actually it looks a little bigger, and the other one has a really beautiful gold lid. So we have the collagen and we have the stress adaptogen. This is the Bliss and Beauty bundle. I am so excited.